Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I picked up the new American Eagle and e.l.f. collaboration. I am going to be showing you guys everything that came in this too cute denim little makeup bag, and I'm also going to be creating two looks with the 12 pan eyeshadow palette. If you guys want to see this new collection in action, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I did pick up the entire collection, which how cute is this little makeup bag? Exactly like the back pocket of an American Eagle jean. I picked up the entire collection last week on the e.l.f. website, and it retails for $50. So you get the bag and you also get a lip balm, which I thought was going to be a blue lipstick, but no, it turns out it is a lip balm. It's called Perfect Fit, and I am wearing it right now. It's just like a little cool tone tint to the lips. Now, also included in the collection was this Get Cheeky clay mask. So I actually applied this to my face last night. I wore it for about 15 minutes and then I rinsed it off. That is the recommended time, 15 to 20 minutes, and then just rinse with lukewarm water. It also says that this is not just for the cheeks on your face. This could also be the cheeks that are on your bum, so you can use it in both places. It says that it's going to act as a hydrator. It's also going to smooth, refine pores, revealing smooth, plump looking cheeks here and down here. I hadn't noticed that until right now. Very interesting. And last but not least in this collection is going to be this 12 pan palette, and here is the blue, brown, beige color story. You're getting 12 different shadows, matte and shimmer formula. This is available right now on the e.l.f. website. It retails for $16. I love the combination of blue and brown together. That is one of my favorite color combinations, so this is definitely something that I knew I wanted to pick up. Just to give you guys some prices on the other things that are available right now for purchase on the e.l.f. website. The clay mask is priced at $11 and the lip balm is priced at $8. Of course, the entire collection as a bundle with the bag is sold out, and that all retailed for $50. So I have the lip balm on, I've already used the mask. Now it's time to create two looks with the eyeshadow palette. Now I've already primed my eyelids with my new favorite eyeshadow primer, and it's this one from Drizzle. If you want to shop anything on the Drizzle website like this, which retails for like $7.50, you can use my affiliate code Steff10 and that will give you 10% off of your order. So I am so excited for this palette. Again, I love the combination of blue and brown together. I think I'm going to start here and then I'm going to work my way down here. I will say that when I swatched this palette, some of the shimmers felt a little dry, so you're definitely going to want to spray your brush. But let's go in with this shade first. This one is called Cargos, and I'm taking Cargos on a BK212. It is early in the morning when I'm filming this, and the birds are out and awake and chirping away. If you can hear them in the background, I am like surrounded by windows, but the curtains are closed. I can't see them, I can only hear them, but look, I have little bird earrings on. I'm wearing them because the t-shirt I have on, obviously I'm getting ready to go to work, but the t-shirt I have on is our new Earth Day t-shirt, and so we get to wear it, you know, once a week with jeans for the month of April, so chose to wear it today. So this Cargo shade is actually darker than what I thought it was gonna be. That's interesting, but it's like a taupey, a cool tone, I would say taupey shade. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade right here called Major Flare, and I'm actually wearing flare jeans from American Eagle today, a light wash that I've had for a while. We're doing like a smoky eye. Looks like that's what it's turning out to be. I like that this shade is not totally, it's not a black, it's more of just like a dark smoky gray. Like it has a little bit of brown and a little bit of black mixed together. I really like that, and it blended well with the other shadow. I'm just going over the first shade, Cargos, a little bit. Now, let's see. I was disappointed by how this one swatched. Like I really had to press in the pan for that one and for that one too. So I think I'm gonna try this shade right here. This one is called 90s Vibes. And I'm taking this on a damp Morphe 21. Wow. That is some good pigment, good payoff. Definitely spray your brush with all of these shimmers. And when I use those other ones, you'll see what I mean. Maybe they're more of topper shades, but if that was the case, they're very light topper shades. I'll see if I can maybe, I don't think I need to add anything to this, but maybe I can try one in the inner corner or something. That's really pretty. All right, now I'm gonna go in with this shade on the lower lash line. This one is called Corduroy. Taking Corduroy on a BK210. Now, let's try this one for the inner corner. Same brush, I'm just gonna spray it. This one is called Low Rise, and I'm just swirling in the pan. I don't know if this is going to be right enough. Yeah, it's okay. I think it's actually more of that first shade. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in with 90s Vibes. That seems to be the shade that I'm just dragging down. I'm gonna try picking some up with my finger. Low rise, see, that's how it looks. Nah, I don't think I need to apply that. That'll be, the other shade is sparkly enough. Okay guys, I'm gonna do some finishing touches off camera and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay guys, here's the completed look number 1. I went in with Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Skinny Liquid Eyeliner for the top lash line. I'm going to be using e.l.f. Lash Beats Mascara. This is, I'm probably going to throw it away after this because I was barely able to get what I did out of it. I was looking for, I have their latest one, Roller Lash or whatever it's called. It's just somewhere over there. I couldn't find it. And then for the lower waterline, I went in with an e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick. This one right here, this one's in the shade Out of Sight. I love these shadow sticks. They're really good. And last year, they released a whole bunch of new matte shades. So really cool. I think it goes perfectly. Love the combination of blue and brown together. Of course, that sparkle, that silver. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. For look number 2, I am going to start off with this blue shade and then I'm going to pack this shade all over the lid. We're going to start first with Mom Jeans. Actually, you know what? I'm going to start off with the darker shade called Indigo and I'm using a BK203 and I'm going to leave a little space free right here. That way I can add that white for the inner corner. Maybe do a matte inner corner today. I will say that the last collection I tried from e.l.f., which was the Good Vibes Only collection, that was really good. Like everything I got, I picked up from the collection, I have been using and loving. I just used the little Happy Face sponge when I was taking off the mask last night, one that came in this collection, but that was a really cute collection. I think that the eyeshadow palettes are definitely worth picking up as well. Now on a BK A502, I'm going to go in with Mom Jeans and I'm going to start blending out this crease. Okay, it's looking good so far. I think I'm going to add a little bit more of indigo. And then I'm just going to use that little blending brush just to blend this, make the crease a little bit deeper. That's nice. That almost looks like it's the same shade as the shadow stick. If you have the shadow stick, you could have very easily laid that down and then just kind of blend it out a little bit and put any one of these shades on top. Going back with Mom Jeans. You want to be careful with the blues that you don't over blend them, just go in lightly. Now I'm going to go in with this matte, like a bone shade. It's called High Rise. And I'm taking this shade on a BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Oh yeah. That's what we wanted. Perfect. Ooh, that looks so pretty. Now you could leave it as an all matte look, but I want to try more shades, so. but I love that. Now, I think I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle to the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the shade, it looks like it's a satin shade, OOTD. And I'm taking the shade on a damp Refer 26. Go in with a little bit more of High Rise. Alright, so I do want to show you guys this shade called Bell Bottoms. And there, it just feels really dry. These birds are going crazy out there. You see how it just doesn't do much? I'm going to try picking it up with my brush and then spraying it. Damp Refer 21. Yeah, those two shades were a bit of a letdown, those that had like the marble swirl in them. Alright guys, so I'm going to pop off camera, do the finishing touches, and I'll come back and show you the completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. I went in with another e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick for the lower waterline. This one was from that the Cookies and Dreams collection. This one is in the shade Chill Zone. I don't know if this one's still available. It might be. If not, just get yourself like a baby blue eyeliner from ColourPop or NYX. And for the lips, I added one of these e.l.f. lip stains. This one is in the shade Spicy Sienna. So I've officially used everything that's in this new American Eagle and e.l.f. collaboration collection. So let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so after using all of the items in this new collection, let me just say that I think the collection makes a lot of sense. e.l.f. is affordable, American Eagle is pretty affordable, they run a lot of sales and stuff, but I think when a makeup brand and fashion brand collab together, I think it makes more sense than, let's say, maybe a makeup brand and a food brand. So I can totally see how this collection came to be. I think it makes total sense, and I think that the makeup bag is definitely one of the standouts of this entire collection. Like, it's just really cute. You'll be able to wash it really easily. It does have, it's just like a denim pocket, you know, it's like the back of an actual pair of jeans, and I think this is just absolutely too cute. I did use the face mask last night. I didn't experience any irritation, anything. It was just like a regular clay mask that's gonna help, you know, diminish the look of pores, kind of get all the gunk out of it, leave it on for 15-20 minutes. I liked it. It was good. I'll definitely be getting a lot of use out of this lip balm. And again, even though it's blue, it's not going to show up blue on your lips. I think this is perfect because how often do we put our lipstick or lip balm in our pocket, the pocket of our jeans? So I am so glad that they included that. I think it makes total sense. The eyeshadow palette, look, here's like the little tag where it says your size and stuff. I think it's cute. I think they did a good job with the packaging, and I also think they did a great job, you know, with the color story. However, like I said, some of the shimmer shades swatched a bit on the dry side, and unfortunately it was these two especially that have like that little marble kind of look to them. Didn't really care for those. This one is going to be the most intense shimmer, and it's the one that I have on over here. Definitely spray your brush because these other shimmers, these are kind of like satin shades. I have this one on down here. I like the matte shades. I thought that the matte shades were perfect. I love that this is more of like a dark smoky gray than just a full-on matte black, and I like that we get this bone color matte shade in here, which I love the way it looks right now in the inner corner. You know, if I have to rate this palette, I guess I would give this palette a 7 out of 10. Overall, I think the collection is really cute, and I think if you picked it up and you're a fan of American Eagle and you're a fan of e.l.f., I think overall you're going to be very happy with it, minus a couple duds in the eyeshadow palette, but overall I think the entire collection makes sense, and I like that it was a small collection. The full collection is sold out right now on the e.l.f. website. website. It does retail for $50, but everything except the makeup bag is available for individual purchase and on stock right now on the e.l.f. website. I'll have that linked in the description box along with the rest of the makeup that I am wearing, which is pretty much a full face of e.l.f. and other drugstore makeup items. Now I want to hear from you guys. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, team 2? Are you going to be picking this collection up? And if you are new to my channel, let me say hello and welcome to all of you. Before you go, do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. And if you enjoyed watching me create these 2 looks or just seeing this new American Eagle and e.l.f. collection in action, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.